Affiliate marketing advice that everyone should read. Affiliate marketing is the concept of using one website to send traffic to another business and is an effective method of online marketing, which is underutilized and overlooked by many businesses. This video can help you to understand these concepts and you can see great increases in your business and profits in an exponential way. One thing to beware of with affiliate marketing programs is alienating your customers. Make sure that the products and services offered by your affiliates are ethical and offer good value for customers' money. Nothing will poison the opinion of a visitor to your website faster than directing him or her to a scam. Conversely, helping a visitor find a product he or she is interested in can make them appreciate your site. Before entering an affiliate marketing arrangement, you should test drive your would-be affiliate's product if at all possible. Being familiar with your advertiser's products will enable you to answer any questions that might come from the visitors you send to your affiliates' sites. Also, having first-hand experience will help you evaluate the true value that your affiliates are providing to your customers. To maintain a sterling reputation, it's important that you only enter affiliate marketing programs with affiliates you can stand behind. Evaluate your potential affiliates carefully and avoid any that you cannot support with full enthusiasm. Visitors to your website will use your choice of affiliates to inform their opinion of you, so whatever you do, avoid connecting your visitors to shady dealers and scam artists. When looking for payout from an affiliate marketing program, remember that many companies will hold onto your money for quite some time after a sale. In many cases, you have to meet a lower threshold before you are allowed to withdraw your commission. In other cases, the parent company may hold your money until after they ship the product, to ensure the order isn't cancelled or returned. Don't expect instant payout on a sale. As an affiliate, checking on your visitors, sub-affiliates, and sales totals is all very important information to know. The company you choose to offer your affiliate services to should have a thorough list of statistics they voluntarily offer to you. You must track of your entire campaign, otherwise, it isn't worth putting one together. As clearly stated in the beginning of the video, affiliate marketing is a great way to be able to increase your business while working with another business in a reciprocal manner. By understanding and applying these practices, you can see increased traffic to your business as well as a positive relationship with a business that was simply a competitor before. Now that you have been told the basics of affiliate marketing, the next thing is to join an affiliate marketing program. Traffic is the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. I have very good news for you. You can get highly targeted traffic from YouTube at just 3 clicks of the mouse. How? By using a software called Widely. Widely allows you to create and rank articles and videos with only 3 clicks. You don't need to create an article, create backlinks, or know SEO technique. The software does it for you. These are some of the things that the software will do for you. 1. Reverse engineers Google Indie ranking system. 2. Finds untapped, buyer keywords that can easily be exploited. 3. Gets you ranked thanks to perfect SEO optimized titles, DSC and tags. 4. Works in English, French, or any other language, and in any niche. 5. Drives 100% free visitors from Google and YouTube. 6. Tap into the massive potential of SEO without actually knowing SEO. Best of all, if you have any doubt, try for 30 days and if for any reason you are not 100% satisfied, you will get your money back 100%. For a similar platform on the internet, you will be paying a minimum of $97 a month. But with Vividly, you will make only a one-time payment of $47 if you purchase directly from the original creators by clicking the link in the description. Click the link in the description to learn more.